In today's tech-driven world, mastering programming languages like C++ can open doors to numerous career opportunities. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn programming fundamentals or an experienced developer aiming to enhance your skills, online training in C++ language offers flexibility and depth. This course explores everything you need to know about C++ language online live training. Online education in programming had humble beginnings, often starting with basic tutorials and text-based resources. The more interactive and engaging platforms emerged. C++ programming, known for its foundational role in computer science and software development, became a popular subject due to its versatility and deep-rooted importance. Explore ICTSkills.in for a wide range of live online programming courses and take the first step toward a rewarding career today. Visit our website www.ICTSkills.in or call us 9499 569 596. Thank you.